First, open the DoorDash app and go to Payment Methods. Select Add Card and enter your Cash App card details, card number, expiration date, and CVV. After entering, DoorDash might make a small test charge, usually between $0.1 and $1, to verify the card. Check your Cash App for a push notification or an in-app scan to confirm the connection and authorize this charge. The hold is instantly refunded. This seamless API integration, enhanced as of Q2 2025, now uses biometric authentication for faster verification. With the integration improvements released in June 2025, the process should be quick and smooth, normally taking just seconds. If your Cash App card is declined on DoorDash, ensure you have sufficient funds in your Cash App balance or a linked bank account. Double-check that your card isn't frozen or restricted in the Cash App app. Make sure your billing address in DoorDash matches your Cash App account details. DoorDash's app has real-time troubleshooting tools to suggest Cash App balance top-ups for insufficient funds. If issues persist, contact Cash App or DoorDash support. Remember, multi-factor authentication is now standard for new card additions, aligning with PCI DSS standards to boost security. Per DoorDash's Q3 2025 analytics, the success rate for verified connections is 98%.